Hi, Brenda Malin here with Colton RV and Marine. I am so excited to show you this brand new model Grand Design came out with this year. This is a 2024 Grand Design MAV. Now, this is a new toy hauler for them. Those of you who know Grand Design might recognize it looks just like their Transcend model, but it's a toy hauler. For starters, it is only 8,800 dry weight, and it's a total of a little over 32 feet, including the hitch. This is the 27 MAV. They only have one floor plan for this year. We'll be adding more as the years go on. Let's take a look. Up here we have a power tongue jack and two 20-pound tanks. We also have a spot for two batteries. It does come with one. If you want to add another one, you can get another one. It does come with a 160-watt solar panel already mounted on the roof. That'll run all your lights and your fridge. Right here we have a pass-through storage. That's going to give you ample space for you to store anything you're bringing along, fishing poles, maybe a kayak, you know, any of your tubing or outdoor rec activities. We have a magnetic latch catch here that'll catch the door when you're loading. Notice the nice large 19-foot awning goes all the way across over the door, and you have plenty of space here to have patio furniture, picnic tables, anything to that degree. We do have two axles on this and nitrogen-filled tires. That's going to keep the pressure on the tires the same no matter what type of climate you're in. Here we do have hookup for a TV. If you have cable or satellite at the site, we could mount an outdoor TV here, something our parts department can help you with. Around here, I do want to point out that this awning does have pitching. So you just pull this down, so if it rains, it'll actually drain the water right off the side there and not way in the middle of your awning. Now we come to the fun part about owning a toy hauler, the patio. It also doubles as a ramp, so when you're loading your four-wheeler, motorcycles, golf cart, you can use it as a ramp. Otherwise, you can have it as a party deck. We're going to set it up. So it's super simple. You just have to turn these handles. And then pull towards you. Notice it doesn't take a lot. I can do this pretty simply just with one person. We got this cable is catching over here. These cables, when they're attached, are going to make the patio. When you don't have the cables attached, that's when you would lower it down to the ground and it becomes a ramp. Now these here, these are the fence that goes around the toy hauler, so that if you have pets or children, you know that they can be safe out on the patio. So here we are on the 27 MAV's party deck. Picture yourself at your campsite, looking out on the lake, watching the kids play, watching people kayak, whatever it is that you do when you go camping. This is a beautiful setup. Now, the nice thing about the MAV, even though it's a smaller toy hauler, the garage is 13.5 feet. So you can fit almost any toy in here. It has plenty of room in the roof as well. This is going to lift up. We do have two bunks. Notice here, these are two couches that are going to turn into one large bed. And then this one is the top bunk, both large enough that you could fit easily two people on each. This camper does sleep 6. We do have a reinforced 1-inch wood garage floor that's going to be nice and strong when you're transporting your toys. Now let's take a look at the inside. All right, so I want to point out that this is the dining table. It is completely removable. You could bring it outside, eat outside. You can put it here, use it as a large dinette. You can lift this up out of the way very quickly if you want to eat and not have to totally break down the bed. Although it does lift up on both sides to fit your toys inside the garage. Let's take a look at the kitchen. So you'll see here, just like Grand Design normally does, we have beautiful front cabinetry made from real wood. There's all kinds of storage in this unit. So you'll see we have drawers, microwave, your Bluetooth radio, which will play on your speakers inside and outside or both at the same time. We have 3 eyelets on the stove. You do have the light up stove controls here, which is nice to have lit up to see at night. We have a large, deep stainless steel sink with the spray nozzle, of course. Over here, I want to show you this 12-volt refrigerator. Now, these cool down way faster than those old propane electric ones, and you're going to get a lot more space inside there to store all of your beverages and food to entertain. Oh, good, there's a water for me. Now, this camper does have LED lights throughout. It actually has a 15,000 BTU air conditioner as well as a 30,000 BTU furnace. Let's walk this way and take a look at the bathroom. All right, as you can see, Grand Design always makes sure there's plenty of nooks and crannies to store all of your bathroom necessities and toiletries. Check out the medicine cabinet in here, counter space in the bathroom, a nice drawer, as well as storage underneath. Of course, you do have a porcelain toilet. And this shower, now check it out, I'm 5'7", and you can see how much plenty of headroom here. So even for your tall friends, they're not going to be bumping their heads on the top of that shower. Now, this is a true queen size bed here. As you notice, it is going to be the longer version of the queen, not the camper queen you might be used to. We do have 2 wardrobes on both sides, as well as a shelf up here. And if you look back there, we do have some little nooks and crannies for you to store your devices and charge them on those USB ports and outlets. We have a drawer on each side of the bed that fully extends out. We also have storage under the bed. And one of the coolest things about the MAV is the extra wardrobe and storage space over in the corner. 2 drawers, a little extra bookcase, and a large wardrobe on top. All right, thank you so much for touring the 2024 Grand Design MAV with me, their brand new model of the toy hauler. If you would like to check out the MAV or any Grand Design product, give me a call. My name is Brenna Malin. Our number here at the North Tonawanda store is 716-694-0188, extension 473. Thank you from your friends at Colton RV and Marine.